So I gotta say that this little circular magnetic voice recorder is far more handy than I anticipated it to be. So a lot of times if I just have something that I want to record, if I'm at a doctor's appointment or if I'm at a lecture or some sort of conversation where I have permission to record, I will pull out my phone and I'll use that. And I draw the battery down on my phone and I fill up the phone storage and I fumble around trying to find the app. And when I have this in my purse or my work bag or something like that, this is a whole different world to be able to pull out this little thing, just very, unobtrusive, turn it on and put it into, a little bit of a direction where it's going to be able to pick up the sound well. Crystal clear sound, easy to be able to take off, put it on my computer and access and do anything with the files with that. I can also put them on my phone. And I just haven't really thought of all the ways that I would be using it until I had it in hand and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna grab that, and I use it all the time. So hugely long amount of charge on it. It says 9,800 hours. Certainly I haven't pushed it that far to be able to prove that, but this can just keep holding onto your information, and then you can just go in, find the file, download, and be able to do what you need to do. And then while you're in there, if you want to clean it out, you can easily do that too, or you can keep plenty of information on this. It holds up to 128 gigs worth of information, so if you don't ever want to clean it out for a while, you can store it on this too. So it's pretty durable. If you can hear, it's got a nice metal case to it. This is the magnetic side. As far as a hands-free option, if you have any metal to be around, this is going to hold on to it, I think, quite well. As far as what comes with the recorder, you have plug-in headphones if you want to listen directly from the recorder. Now keep in mind, you can move those files easily to your phone and to your computer, but if it's something you just want to be able to sort of be listening to on the fly, you have these plug-in headphones, and it does have a nice controller on it too, so you can control volume, forward, backward, all that stuff. So the unit itself has a USB-C port on it that you plug this small cable that comes with it. Just plug that into it. And then this end would be that I'm plugging that into my laptop to be able to transfer it. If you're looking to transfer it to your phone, absolutely no problem. You use the same cord with it, and it does come with two adapters. One has a USB-C, one has Lightning on it if you have a little bit of an older Apple product. And you just plug that adapter into it, plug it into your phone, and you're ready to start uploading right to your phone from the recorder itself. So it has a nice clear on-off switch on it. So I'll switch it on. You can see that there's a blue light that turns on and then it turns red. That shows it's recording, and it kind of goes back and forth from the blue and red light there, but you can easily tell when it's on. So I'll hold this a little bit more than a foot from my mouth, and I'll just talk in a pretty conversational tone here, and we can see what the sound quality is on it. I have noticed that the noise cancellation factor on it, when I've been in a place where there's maybe some conversations going on in the background or maybe some heating or air unit or something blowing in it, this really does tamp down that background sound pretty well. So we've got this open now. Let me hear play. So I'll hold this a little bit more than a foot from my mouth, and I'll just talk in a pretty conversational tone here, and we can see. So I don't want to turn the volume up 100% and just blow you out of the water with that. But the audio quality just presents as really clear. You have all kinds of convenience and access to be able to move the files around and organize them how you want, be able to play back whenever you want on your computer and on your phone too. So the ease and convenience of this lightweight, compact, durable little recorder that you can record things with easily and not fumble with your phone to be able to have to do that and take up your storage and draw down your battery, all this stuff. This has just been so convenient for me, and I'm finding so many ways that I think, oh yeah, I can use that, and then it's there. I pull down my files. I'm keeping that in my Google Drive or something like that so I can access whenever I want, and it's just such a handy thing to be able to have. I'm finding so many uses for it, and I kind of think you will too. I recommend.